Hello and welcome to the channel. Imagine you could be having a YouTube channel by now. Yes, you who is watching this, you could be having a YouTube channel by now. Imagine if you could talk about the things which you know very well, the things which you may not know very well, and the things which you aspire to know very well, but concentrating on the things which you know very well. That's a simple guide for you to start a YouTube channel. So don't fear to start your own YouTube channel because of the fact that it's a rewarding experience to actually create and run a YouTube channel. So as you can see, right now I'm not recording from the garden, which is the usual location where I record my videos from, but instead I'm recording from another location. And look at my background. That location doesn't seem to be in the house, but rather it's in the office where I actually work. So I don't stay on YouTube all the time. I have a job. I have a 9 to 5 job, but I just decided to start a YouTube channel to educate people on backyard gardening. So where I'm recording from is within my office where I work. I'm actually a lecturer. So you can see I've just been marking scripts here. I have my red pen still with me. I'm actually a lecturer. I teach biochemistry to medical students whom I teach how disease comes and how disease prevention can be done in the medical perspective. So I'm basically a medical biochemistry lecturer, though I run a small YouTube channel detailing how to do backyard gardening. So that tells you that irrespective of your career, you can also do not open, but run and operate a successful or a YouTube channel in which you'll be educating people on various things which you are interested in, whether it's your passion, whether it's something which you know very well, or even it could be something which you aspire to do, anything that you think people will be interested in learning from you, because every person usually has a different experience with life, and therefore it's worth sharing that experience so that other people can actually learn from you. So I started the YouTube channel around 2011. It has been quite some time, but of course everybody starts from zero. And by the time I was starting that channel, I didn't have a specific area of concentration. I didn't have something like a niche. No, I didn't have any specific area of concentration for my videos. I was just posting content relatively in a random way without much consideration of which specific areas I should stick to. But as I went on, I posted some videos on technology, some videos on making money online, some videos on how to watch TV using a projector, and many other videos in that way, which were not specific to a particular niche. But then with time, I discovered that I'm quite passionate about backyard gardening, and therefore I started doing videos on backyard gardening. So majority of the videos which I have on my channel, as you're going to see, are actually on backyard gardening. And in backyard gardening, I educate you on various aspects of that backyard gardening. So although I'm in a different career, my YouTube channel is also on a different line, but I'm still able to balance the two. So usually what I do is that I record the videos in the evenings after work or early morning before coming to work, because where I stay is just very close to the place where I work, in the sense I can walk a short distance and I reach the office. And sometimes I also do the videos over the weekend. So meaning that despite having a 9 to 5 job, I can also still manage to open and run a YouTube channel so that I educate you on various aspects of backyard gardening, which has currently been the area which I shoot most of my videos on. So you can also start a YouTube channel, and it can take some time, of course, to be monetized if you intend to monetize. Of course, not everybody intends to monetize their videos or their YouTube channels, but if you intend to monetize your channel, you can take some time, shoot some videos, ensure that you post them on YouTube, and then within a period of time, you'll be monetized. Now for me, as I told you, I've been running this channel since 2011, but Around that time, from 2011 up to around 2019, there was no much serious effort. I remember there was like maybe 1 or 2 videos on the whole channel of all over that all over that period. But then with time, around the time of the COVID-19 pandemic, that's when I started putting much more seriousness in shooting video on a regular basis and uploading them, and then doing all the necessary things that needs to be done to have a viewership for the channel. So since that time of the pandemic, because remember during the pandemic people were actually outside, nobody was going to work, nobody was going to school, you are not allowed to be outside for a prolonged period of time. So it was during that time that I got most of my free time to actually initiate the process of being serious on the channel, and therefore you'll be able to see that most of my videos on the channel started around the time of COVID-19 or thereafter. That's when I started putting much more effort into building more content for that YouTube channel. So you can also start your channel at any given time in your life, irrespective of your career, but as long as what you think you want to post on the YouTube channel is something that people will be interested in, because it's not necessary to post things which you won't find any viewership, and especially if you are intending to have your channel monetized, then it's important that you post things which really will attract people to watch your channel, and also you get subscribers and also accumulate the 4,000 watch hours which are required for a channel to be actually monetized. So you can maintain a regular schedule. You can decide to maintain a schedule of maybe 1 week of posting per month, or even twice a week, or twice a month, or once in a month, whichever schedule that you decide to stick to. Ensure you maintain that schedule very regularly, because of the fact that YouTube usually rewards effort. If you post on a regular basis, then usually YouTube will be proud or glad to reward you by pushing your content to a wider audience as you progress with your channel. So for my channel, I don't post on a daily basis, though I post relatively regularly per month. I don't have a specific schedule for posting, but at least I ensure that for every given month, since I started being serious about developing my YouTube channel, I have some number of videos posted on a monthly basis, so that at least my channel gets more viewership on a monthly basis, and with that I'll be able to accumulate the viewership which is required and the subscribers which are actually required. So you may be wondering, as of today, which is the 14th day of December 2024, how many subscribers do I have on my channel, and how many watch hours do I have on my channel? Remember, as I told you, I started the channel around 2011, not so much serious, but with recent times I've been posting relatively regularly and on a timely basis for each and every month. So far I have, can you guess the number? I have exactly 77 subscribers. You'll be shocked. Since 2011, why have I not accumulated the subscribers? No problem. I want to guarantee you, no problem. Everybody starts from scratch, and I will not blame anybody for not having subscribers. It's because of the fact that I've not been regularly serious and regularly uploading content onto the channel so that I get those subscribers. But with the latest efforts which I'm making, I'm seeing the number of subscribers improving, and therefore there will be steady progress or steady movement towards the 1,000 subscribers which are required for monetization of the channel. So as at today, 14th of December 2024, 77 subscribers on my channel since 2011. So no discouragement, don't give up. It's my fault. I didn't become serious about the channel. I didn't post regularly on the channel, but if you post regularly, your picture will be different from my own scenario. So your scenario may be different from my own scenario, but ensure that you actually post your content on a regular basis so that you have the viewership and also the subscribers and also the watch hours. So since I have 77 subscribers, of course the watch hours are nothing to talk about, because they can't be more than even 2,000 watch hours as at now. And remember, the watch hours required for monetization is 4,000 watch hours in 1 year. For example, if I started in January, if I don't accumulate the 4,000 watch hours by the end of this year, which is December at the end of this year, I will not be monetized. So any 1 year in which you hit the 4,000 watch hours, that's when you will be actually monetized on your YouTube channel. So keep moving, keep posting. Once you start your channel, keep posting. Don't fear to start your channel. You can start from anything and anywhere, but as long as you keep consistent and do all the necessary things that will help you garner the viewership and also the subscribers, your channel will grow with time, and you'll be bearing me testimony that with consistency and a regular schedule and enough effort, your channel grows with time. So keep moving, keep posting, keep educating people, and don't fear to start. Starting is the biggest thing. Once you start, then stopping is never an option for you. You'll find yourself just continuing up to the point when you become monetized, and up to the point when your YouTube channel actually grows to high extent or great extent. So start today. Don't fear, but ensure that you stay consistent and do all the necessary things which are required to be done to ensure that you have the videos being pushed by the algorithm into the viewership of the various audiences who will be interested in your content. So bear me witness once you start how your journey is. Share the video, give a like and subscribe, and then comment also to tell me how your journey is on your YouTube content creation. And with time, also share with me how your progress has been in terms of viewership, subscriber base, and also your watch hours and every other metric that you may be interested in sharing with me. So thank you. Don't forget to start your YouTube channel on any content that you find people will be interested in actually watching and gaining your knowledge, because it is your knowledge which people are interested in. Thank you, and I wish you the best in your journey of content creation.